Look no further than this Ryobi P505 for your household woodcutting needs. Its cordless power will let you take this all over your property for demolition projects or DIY construction needs. At 4,700 revolutions per minute, it boasts power similar to corded circular saws, but with the portability of a cordless one. Along with this portability is a collection of features that make it easy to handle in different environments. It has a rubber grip over the handles that increases friction between your hands and the tool for maximum control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. It also features an extra handle on the left side of the unit, giving you more control and visibility over your work. Beyond that, to cut wherever you need around the house, you can adjust the angle of the bevel up to 50 degrees, with a 5/2 inches blade included. You'll be ready to go straight out of the box if you have a Ryobi battery in your collection beforehand. If you want to switch the blade out, an onboard compartment holds a wrench so you can make quick changes on the fly without having to spend time looking for tools. Whether you're a DIY builder, homeowner, or professional looking for a reliable backup, the P505 from Ryobi will serve you well. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Grip zone over mold. The handles of this power tool are lined with a rubber mold. This increases friction between your hands and the tool, improving handling in most conditions. Number 2. Transparent lower guard. The polyurethane blade guard is clear, so you can get maximum visibility on your work while you make your cuts. Number 3. Adjustable bevel. You can adjust the foot of this cordless circular saw up to 50 degrees to cut at a variety of angles for different applications. Number 4. Extra side handle. Gives you improved control. Its location on the left side of the tool gives you greater visibility over your cuts while you work. Number 5. 1+ compatible. The circular saw works with Ryobi's 18-volt batteries. These battery models include the P100, P102, P103, P104, P105, P107, and P108, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.